Ooh, my Japanese wife is making something very special tonight. Let's see what it is. Water. Ooh, some curry. Ooh, hamburger helper. But it's not. Oh, some rice. Microwaved. Look at that nice microwave rice. We are too cheap to have a rice cooker. Oh. Some wieners. Cut, cut, cut. Korean scissors. But they're not. They're paper scissors. Mix it. Mix it good. Oh, wow. Wrap. Now we're gonna put it, or she's gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. That was a fast 3 minutes. Okay. What do we have here? We have a towel. And we have the finished product. Made in Japan. Oh! Finishing touches. Cheese. Cheese me up, Scotty. Oh, look at all that cheese. It's like a hybrid Mexican, Indian, American food dish. Look at that. Oh, cheesy. Nice.